Good afternoon, children. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Welcome back to mathematics class. In previous class, we learned about large numbers. Today we have to learn second unit, prime numbers, factors, and multiples. Prime numbers, factors, and multiples. First, before going to explain prime numbers, factors, and multiples, first we have to learn counting numbers, natural numbers, even numbers, and odd numbers. You know very well counting numbers. What are counting numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, dash, dash. These are called counting numbers. Okay, from 1 to infinity. These numbers are called counting numbers and natural numbers also. We can call natural numbers also. From 0 to infinity, these numbers are called whole numbers. Next, even numbers. Even numbers. What are called even numbers? Even numbers. Right, children? Take your notebooks. Take your running notebook. Okay, take your running notebook and textbook and write in notebook. Even numbers. Which numbers are called even numbers? Which numbers are called even numbers? Even numbers. Which numbers are divisible by 2? Which numbers are divisible by 2? Which numbers are divisible by 2? Those numbers are called even numbers. What are even numbers? Which numbers are divisible by 2? Divisible by 2. Those numbers are called even numbers. Which numbers are divisible by 2? Those numbers are called even numbers. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, dash, dash, dash. These are called even numbers. These are called even numbers. Next, these numbers are exactly divisible by 2. Exactly divisible by 2. These numbers are exactly divisible by 2. Which numbers are even numbers? Which numbers are divisible by 2? Which numbers are divisible by 2? Those numbers are called even numbers. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 14, 16, dash, dash, infinity. Those numbers are called even numbers. Okay? Don't message children. CH Karthi. Why you are messaging? Don't message. Listen. This is new topic for you. Listen carefully. Okay, prime numbers, factors, and multiples. New chapter for you. So listen carefully, all of you. Which numbers are divisible by 2? Those numbers are called even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Okay, like these numbers are called even numbers. These even numbers are exactly divisible by 2. Exactly divisible by 2. Okay, next, odd numbers. Odd numbers. Which numbers are called odd numbers? Which numbers are not divisible by 2? Which numbers are not divisible by 2? Those numbers are called odd numbers. Which numbers are? Which numbers are not divisible by 2? Not divisible by 2. Those numbers are called odd numbers. Odd numbers. Example: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, dash dash. These are called odd numbers. Okay, these are called odd numbers. Which numbers are not divisible by 2? Which numbers are not divisible by 2? Those numbers are called odd numbers. Okay. First, even numbers. Which numbers are divisible by 2? Those numbers are called even numbers. Which numbers are not divisible by 2? Those numbers are called odd numbers. Okay. First, 1 to infinity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 to infinity. These numbers are called counting numbers or natural numbers. Next, even numbers. Which numbers are divisible by 2? Those numbers are called even numbers. Which numbers are not divisible by 2? Not divisible by 2. Those numbers are called odd numbers. Even numbers examples: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34. Like. Next, odd numbers. Example of odd numbers: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41, plus. Okay. Did you understand first what are even numbers? What are odd numbers? Okay. If you have one doubt, what is divisible? First, what is divisible? Teacher here saying divisible by 2. Here said not divisible by 2. What is divisible? What is not divisible? Okay, now I will explain. Write down children. Even numbers, odd numbers. Examples also write down children. For example, I am taking here 6. 6 is even number or odd number? Yes, even number. How to say even number? Which numbers are divisible by 2? those numbers are called even numbers. I said no. Okay. 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay. Here quotient is 3 and remainder is 0. When we are divided, then we will get remainder 0. That is exactly divisible. Exactly divisible. Here exactly divisible by 2 is 6. Okay. Number 6. 6 is exactly divisible by 2. So 6 is even number. 6 is even number. Next one more. 24. 24 divided by 2. 24 is even number or not? 24 divided by 2. 24 divided by 2. 2 12s are 24. Here 2 12s are 24. 24 minus 24, 0. Okay, here also we get remainder 0. Yes, in both cases we get remainder 0. So 6 and 24. 6 and 24 even numbers. Because of these numbers are exactly divisible by 2. Okay, so even numbers, all even numbers are exactly divisible by 2. All even numbers. All even numbers are exactly divisible by 2. Which numbers are divisible by 2? Those numbers are called even numbers. All even numbers are divisible by 2. That is divisible. Okay. When we are divided, then we will get remainder 0. That is divisible. Okay, exactly divisible. Next. All even numbers are divisible by 2. All even numbers are divisible by 2. For example, I said 1. 6 and 24, I explained. Okay, 6 is divisible by 2 and 24 also divisible by 2. All even numbers are divisible by 2. Next. For example, I am taking odd number. Odd number 7. 7 is odd number. 7 divided by 2. 7 divided by 2. 7 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. What is the remainder here? 1. Here remainder is 1. Next, I am taking one more odd number. 13 divided by 2. 13 divided by 2. 13 divided by 2. 2 6 are 12. Here also we get remainder 1. One more example. 27 divided by 2. 27 divided by 2. 2 13s are 26. Yes, children? 2 13s are 26. See children here, 27 divided by 2. 2 13s are. 2 1s are 2. 2 minus 2 0. Take 7. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 7 minus 6 is 1. 27 divided by 2. 27 2. 2 ones are 2. Next. Take next number 7. 2 threes are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Okay. Here also we will get remainder 0. See children here. Here I do 3 odd numbers. Okay. 3 times odd numbers. 7, 13 and 27. These are odd numbers. Okay. These are odd numbers. Here when we are divided odd numbers, we will get remainder is 1. Okay. So which numbers are not divisible by 2? Before what I said, exactly here divisible. When we divided, we get remainder 0. That is exactly divisible. Here we get remainder 1. Here we get remainder 1. So these numbers are not divisible by 2. These numbers are not divisible by 2. So these are for odd numbers. Odd numbers are not divisible by 2. Even numbers are divisible by 2. Why? When we divided even numbers, we will get remainder 0. Exactly divisible by 2. When we are divided odd numbers divided by 2, we will get remainder 1. So that is not divisible by 2. Okay. What is the difference? Odd, even numbers and odd numbers. What is the difference? Did you understand, children? What is the difference? Even numbers divisible by 2. But odd numbers are not divisible by 2. Okay. Odd numbers are not divisible by 2. Okay. Is it clear, children? Right on, children. What are even numbers? What are odd numbers? Even numbers are exactly divisible by 2. Odd numbers are exactly not divisible by 2. Not divisible by 2. Not divisible means we will get remainder 1. Divisible means when we are divided, we will get remainder 0. That is divisible. This is not divisible. Okay. I hope you completed analyzing too. Okay. Next topic is which numbers are divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How to find out? For that, some test of divisibilities are there. Okay, some test of divisibilities are there. With test of divisibilities, we can say easily which number is divisible by which number. Okay, which number is divisible by which number. For example, 325 Z. This number is divisible by 2. Exactly divisible by 2 or not? Okay, we cannot say. Without division, we cannot say. But with test of divisibilities, we can say very easily. We can say very easily. So now I am going to explain test of divisibilities. Okay, test of divisibilities. Don't write in paid notes, children. Write in running notes. Okay, second unit introduction only I am saying. I am not saying in prime numbers and factors and multiples. I am not explaining about that one. Introduction part only. Before prime numbers, first we have to learn counting numbers, natural numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, test of divisibilities. So after that, I am going to explain prime numbers and factor sign multiples. First, test of divisibility. Which type of test of divisibilities are there? Now I will explain. First, some test of divisibilities are there. Test of divisibility. Test of divisible. Okay, test of divisible. Test of divisible. Test of divisibility. Test of divisibility. Which type of test of divisibilities are there? What are test of divisibilities? Test of divisibility by 2, test of divisibility by 3, test of divisibility by 4, test of divisibility by 5 and 6 and 9, 10. Okay, these test of divisibilities are there. First, test of divisibility by 2. First one is test of divisibility by 2. Test of divisibility test of divisibility by 2. Test of divisibility by 2. Test of divisibility by 2. What is the rule of test of divisibility by 2? What is the rule of test of divisibility by 2? Simple children. What is test of divisibility by 2? Which number? In which number have in ones place even numbers? Okay. Which numbers? In which numbers have in ones place? In ones place even numbers. Even numbers are there. Those are all numbers are divisible by 2. Exactly divisible by 2. That is test of divisibility by 2. Okay. That is test of divisibility by 2. What is test of divisibility by 2? In which numbers? In which numbers having ones place even numbers? Already we know even numbers. In which numbers have in ones place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If it is there, we can say easily those numbers are divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. Okay? I am writing, write down children. A number is divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 2. Number is divisible by 2. Then which number is divisible by 2? In its. If the digit in its. The digit in its ones place. Ones place. In its ones place. In its ones place. Ones place. Ones place. Even numbers. Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I said like that. 0, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. In any number, in ones place, in any number in ones place, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is there. That numbers all, those numbers are all divisible by 2. Example, all even numbers are divisible by 2. Okay, all even numbers are divisible by 2. That is test of divisibility by 2. Okay, that is test of divisibility by 2. What is test of divisibility by 2? What rule of test of divisibility by 2? A number is divisible by 2. When this number is divisible by 2, if the digit in its ones place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, in ones place is 0, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Is there? Those numbers are all divisible by 2. Even numbers. All even numbers are divisible by 2. All even numbers are divisible by 2. For example, 274, 650, 9756. Okay, I am taking 274, 650 and 9756. 9756. In these numbers, once you observe children, once you observe without two division, we can say easily these numbers are divisible by 2 or not. We can say. How can we say test of divisibility by 2? What is test of divisibility by 2? A number is divisible by 2 if the digit in its ones place is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If any number, we have to take any number. In that number in ones place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. In ones place is there. That numbers are divisible by 2. Here 274. In 274, in ones place 4 is there. As 4 is even number. We know already. 4 is even number. Next, so 274 is exactly divisible by 2. Okay, 274 is exactly divisible by 2. Next, 650. 650. In 650, in ones place 0 is there. In ones place 0 is there. So 650 also divisible by 2. Okay, 650 also divisible by 2. Next, 9756. 9756. In this number, in ones place 6. In ones place 6. 6 is there. 6 is even number. Yes, 6 is even number. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay, 6 is even number. So 9756 is exactly divisible by 2. Okay, in these numbers, in ones place, which number have? Even number have. Even number have. Okay, in ones place, even numbers are there. Even numbers are there. So 274, 650, 9756 are divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. This is test of divisibility by 2. Okay. This rule is test of divisibility by 2. Same test of divisibility by 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. Okay. These test of divisibilities are there. Okay. Next, test of divisibility by 3, test of divisibility by 4, test of divisibility by 5, test of divisibility by 6, test of divisibility by 9, test of divisibility by 10. What are rules have for that test of divisibilities 3, 4, 5, 6? That is, I will explain in next class. In tomorrow class, I will explain test of divisibilities only, but test of divisibility by 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. Okay? Did you understand, children, today's class? Today what I explained? Even numbers, odd numbers. Next, Test of divisibility by 2. Only I explained only test of divisibility by 2. Okay. Is it clear, children, all of you? Did you understand? Okay. I hope you understand today's class. Thank you, children. Once you read textbook, children, in textbook what given in your textbook, once you read, okay, second unit.